guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today we are going to look at something very simple and nice to prepare, a breakfast recipe called egg omelette. I am going to do it my way. Join me. We start with breaking our eggs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on my channel, guys. I'm going to put onions, you see. Put in my onions, green pepper, garlic. This is grated carrots, grated Irish potato, then tomatoes. So we add up all our ingredients, as you can see. Grated cabbage. Make sure you use the smallest size when you're grating. We can add salt to our taste. You can now mix. Pour cooking oil. Let it heat up and then put in our mixed solution. See that? Ooh, looks good already. Before it's even ready, it looks good. Guys, see, our fried egg omelette is ready. Look at the ingredients, look at the look. Tasty. Guys, depending on what we put in the omelette, trust me, this omelette is thick. You will have your heavy breakfast and you go on with your day. Do not forget to like, subscribe, please hit the bell button to always get new notifications of when I upload a new video, and continue following. Thank you. Bye bye.